Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you have received a notification stating that your Facebook account has been suspended and you have 180 days left to appeal the disablement, it means that Facebook has disabled your account and you have the opportunity to appeal the decision within the specified time frame. So here is how you can do that. All you have to do is tap on the upload ID option available on your screen and upload the ID of your passport, of your national ID card or anything, and Facebook will go through it and check your Facebook account and the card or any ID, and if it matches then it will definitely let your account like before. And another one is submit an appeal. So all you have to do is go to the Facebook email and just type down the email for the Facebook support team so that they will have to go through your Facebook account and they will let your account be free. And so in order to do that, you can also provide them the screenshot and all the proof. So after you send them, be patient and wait for their email. Facebook will go through your email and let them or let you know as soon as possible. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.